Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about HTML tables and HTML list. HTML table. Okay. So HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data in rows and columns. So let me explain how it goes in the form of code. A table in HTML consists of table cells inside rows and columns. Okay. Here each table cell is defined by TD and a TD end tag. So TD stands for table data. Okay. Next one is a table cell can contain all sorts of HTML elements, text, images, lists, links, other tables, etc. So next one is TR. TR means table row, which starts with this tag and ends with this tag. You can have as many rows as you like in a table. Just make sure that number of cells are same in each row. There are times when a row can have less or more cells than another. Okay, so now let's run this code. Then you will come to know what's the code means. I'll be explaining you wholesome. Yeah, so this is the output of the particular code. Okay, so here HTML table, which is the HTML table, which is the title of the code here, which I gave in H2 heading. So it came like that. Next one is about company, contact, country, which is the heading of the table. So heading of the table can be written, it has TH, that is table heading. Table heading, TH, company, contact, country. And the first row which will be described as TR, that is table row. Okay, first I should open the table tag. Okay, in that I have to insert one row called TR. In the row, I should insert a table headings that are company, contact, country, which has TH. Okay, next row. Come to next row. That is first row. This one, which is known as TD. That is table data. Okay, this TR is the second row. TD is the table data which consists in that row. This on the particular fields. Same on the next row. Same TD data. This one is from the next row. How many rows you want, that many data you can provide here. Okay, and it goes on. Then close the table tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. So up to this, you came to know, right, what it means. Above the table, I have given a CSS, that is style, how it should look like. Okay, I have given table first style in the style tag. I have given a table has font family as Arial and sans serif. Okay, here see the table which it consists of is Arial, and here it consists of other one, that is sans serif. Then border collapse. Collapse means after two lines, after one line, different border, after one line, different border. It's alternate ways. Okay. Then TD with width it should be 100%. Then table data and table header, the heading should be border should be 1px solid DDD. DDD it represents a color. The color codes I'll be giving in you in the separate notes or the GitHub link where you can refer it along with what color defines what hashtag. Then text align should be in the left side. Padding should be 8x. Padding and all you will be coming to know in the next chapters. This is just see it what it does. Then table row and the child even, that is even, like see, it should be even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So six rows I have given which is even. That's what it's saying. Table child even background color should be DDD, which is this color. Okay. Yeah. Now I think you get it to know this about. Let's jump into the next problem. Yeah, I think this will be the easy for you. I've just given the border 1px solid black, where whichever like table heading and table data which I have given a border was solid one black. Only that style I have given. H2 I have given a basic HTML table, that is the heading. First row will be consist of company, contact, country, that is the table heading. Next row consists of table data, which is the names of the particular things. Next, I have given one para to understand the example. We have added borders to the table that this line adds the end of the table. So how it goes, let's run this. Right click, Open with live server. So see here, it comes like this, double border. Okay, that's what it does. That's what it means. Next one, to get a very good example, I have given one style with a table heading, table data, the border 1px solid black. Border 1px solid black is nothing but double lines, double border. Then I have given a heading, two elements, like TD elements define a table cells. Next, I've given a table style width should be 100%. Next, I've given a row that is email Tobias Linus. This is the table data. Okay, let's execute this one. See, email Tobias Linus. TD elements define table cells. Okay, this is what it does. Then TR elements define a table rows. Here table style width 100%. Here TD data, and in the TD data, I've given another one more data that is down one inside the table. See, okay, this one also same. Here also same. Table TH border 1px solid black. H2 have given TH elements, that is the table header. So first row contains person 1, person 2, person 3, that is the heading, that is the table heading. Then TD contains table data. Next row T, and another one contains the variables of that data. Last line contains a paragraph. To understand the example better, we have added a borders to the table. Yeah, this looks like this. So these are the tables. Next one, we will discuss about list. Let's jump into the next concept, that is list. So HTML lists allow web developers to group a set of related items in list, that is an ordered list and an unordered list. So let's me jump into the notes, links, codes, everything I will provide end of the video series. Okay, lists are used to display content which represent a list. Unordered list used to list unordered items. So syntax look like this under a UL tag. Ordered list used to list ordered items, that looks like inside the OL tag. Okay, this one let's see now with a live example. Okay, so first, yeah. So in the HTML code, first normally we will insert a one heading called as unordered HTML list. Inside the unordered, I am giving unordered list, that is UL. UL mean to unordered list. In UL, I will be giving the some list called coffee, tea, milk. That is some data that consists of LI tag. An ordered list consists of OL tag, same as UL, but here it should be in the order. Okay, so right click, open with live server. Let's see this. Yeah, see, unordered list. An unordered list just contains a bullet tags, such type of things. Okay, an ordered HTML list consists of a 1, 2, 3 or Roman numbers or alphabets, such kind of things in ordered manner. Okay, that's what the list represent. Okay, now next one is, yeah, let's see HTML description list. So HTML description list, HTML also supports description list. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. The DL tag defines description list, the DT tag defines a term name, and the DD tag describes each term. Okay, so now let's run this. So DT tag defines the term name of it. Okay, I'll show you. Right click, open with the live server. A description list. See, this is a coffee is a term which describes a black hot drink. So see, coffee is a term. So description DD1 is the tag describes each term. Coffee is a term. Coffee is defining black hot drink, that is data definition. Okay. Then DT is a milk. Again, it describes white cold drink. Okay. This is the output for description list. Okay. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have learned something in this session. If you feel this video is informative, then do comment, like, and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press bell icon to get regular updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, everyone. Happy learning, guys.